Oh, these poor people just dug out their cars. This guy just dug out his car, like, finished a half hour ago. And now, this snowplow's about to put it all back over there. Ain't that some stuff? And there it goes. That's messed up. That's it for him. Oh, it's not so bad. He's just got to shovel out again. At least he's not buried. What's this guy doing? Oh, you really trying to pull a U-turn? Dummy! I hope he gets stuck.
But we're not exactly sure. So the only thing we can do is go from all these place to place to place and show pictures and ask questions, and soon enough you get some kind of lead.
Don't get stuck. And this lady's coming. She's not even going to stop. Oh no!
Last week. Do you have any idea where she's staying or what she might be driving?
The tires are all ice. Why are you driving?
To go orders. Lots of pickles. Bobby, did you go straight on this highway? I'm at the Waffle House right now. Okay.
What are you doing? I mean, just parked his car right in the middle of the road.
She goes, oh yeah, she comes in here. The guy says that she's staying right here at the Best Western, right across the street, right over here. He says, let's go, she's staying. I think we got a lead at the Best Western, right across the street. Let's go.
Dude just parked his car in the middle of the road.
We're going after Denise.
He's